Beautiful evening up here east of Goldendale, Washington. And guess what I ran across? How about this nice little bench leg? Not bad for up here. He's a little short, a lot short in the back, a little crabby, but he's, interestingly enough, he's got the mule deer tail. So he's got more mule deer in him. He's got this kind of short, stubby head, but real nice eye guard. So buck down. Now I got to drag him out of this canyon. So here we go. We've got the deer gutted. Boy, I hate those solo gut jobs, but managed to do it, and I forgot to sharpen my knife from spray, so it was a little dull, which made it even worse. Anyway, I just thought I would show you some devastation from the 284, first kill for the 284. And man, it blew the crap out of that deer. He did manage to run downhill probably about, I would say probably about 75 or 100 yards, but he wasn't going very far. He was blowing out. So anyway, I'm going to go down the trail here. We got blood here, pretty nasty there, all the way down. Here's some more here. Look at these spray jobs. Here's another one.